Hi, I'm Cameron, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this little snowman ornament for your Christmas tree. Some of the things you will need is one of these foam balls. You'll need 2 of them in 2 different sizes. This one is 1.8 inches. That was what I was able to find at my craft store. And then the other one I was able to get in a 1.3 inch. And then you will need a package of baby socks. I got the 0 to 6 month baby socks. You will also need pins, your Christmas tree hooks, some fabric. You could also, if you didn't want to spend money on fabric, you could just get like ribbon. Tiny rubber bands and a glue gun. And if you want to top the hat off with like a little pom-pom, you're going to need a pom-pom. So I take the baby sock and I will shove the big foam ball in there first. And you can get it in there how you like it. And then you take the second one. You're just going to shove it in there. And then this is where you take the rubber bands. That way it kind of has some definition around its neck. And I just take the rubber band and put it like that. Now you can kind of see how it has some definition around the neck. And I just got these rubber bands at the Dollar Tree, so I use 2 just in case it breaks. And then I'll take this and you'll spin it around 1 time. Hold it. And then kind of fold it over. And that will make his little hat. And then you can even fold it up if you wanted to. So it makes like a brim on his hat. Then pull it down like that. And then the push pins is for the eyeballs and the nose. So you'll just take them, just shove it through wherever you want his eyes. So just push it through. You give him his nose like that. And then you'll take your hot glue, give a little dab on the top, and then you can take whatever color pom-pom you have. And so then it's the little ball on top of his hat. And then I take my little piece of fabric, and you can cut little slits in it so it kind of gives it more of that, you know, fray on the scarf if you wanted to do that, or you could leave it. You could cut it however you want. I just put the frays down at the bottom like a typical scarf would have. And then I will take it and then I kind of play with it for a minute so I can get the scarf how I want it to lay before I use the hot glue. It's like, you can kind of do that. And you can cut it shorter too if you don't want it as long. Like this one's a little bit shorter. And then when I get it to where I want it, I just will unfold it a little. Put some hot glue. And hold it over. Then do the same for this side. And pull it over. And there's his little scarf. And then I have these little hooks. You could hot glue it if you wanted to, like just back here. So then when he hangs on the tree, or you could weave it through the hat. And so then it'll just sit on your Christmas tree. So you can get most of these things. I got them all at my local craft store, just at Michael's. And I just bought a bundle of these, but again, you can just use ribbon if you wanted to. That probably would be cheaper.